We imagined a world over 20 years ago where state-of-the-art products and innovative technology solutions would fundamentally alter the way we protect and save lives. Driven by our vision, MPI has positioned itself as a global solutions-based company offering state-of-the-art proximity detection, level 7 and 8, collision avoidance, level 9, AI-based fatigue management, fleet optimization, and reporting solutions within the mining industry. Our mission has been anchored on building long-term relationships with our customers by providing exceptional customer experiences through innovation and technology. Whilst our primary purpose is saving lives, our passionate, highly accountable teams constantly challenge themselves through innovation to drive commercial value for our customers. Our culture is led by an investment in people to be their best selves and have fun so we can drive value for our customers. MPI's comprehensive proximity detection and collision avoidance systems is applicable across vehicle-to-vehicle, vehicle-to-pedestrian, and vehicle-to-object interactions on surface and underground mines. Our proximity detection and collision avoidance systems, branded as ISS, PPS, and RTLS, is supported by concurrent technologies. Our system utilizes GNSS satellite-based technology, which augments the most accurate position from satellite constellations. This is further supported by UDR or untethered debt reckoning technology, which validates the accuracy of GNSS data with a built-in gyroscope authenticating direction and an accelerometer which validates speed. In order to mitigate the risk of complete loss of satellite or GPS drift, we subsequently developed a radio-based technology called Real-Time Location System, RTLS, which uses ultra-wideband. Previously known as pulse radio, the distance is measured by the time taken for the pulse or signal to travel between the receivers. The data is then broadcasted via two frequencies. In addition to solving for potential redundancy, our time-of-flight module or RTLS helped ensure our system is still operational in an under-roof or underground environments. As we soldiered on our journey to bring about automated braking, MPI developed a time-to-collision module which predicts if a vehicle will be in a collision path based on the vehicle's speed and direction. Complex algorithms were developed to help solve complicated scenarios on mines and prevent false positives, and in the case of our semi-automated braking solution, unnecessary derating or stopping of vehicles. Our proximity detection system includes a level 7 solution which provides 360-degree detection combined with audible and visual alerts of imminent dangers and indicative directional display by using color LEDs, green, amber, and red, on the screen. The level 7 solution is mainly applicable to light-duty commercial vehicles and can be installed permanently with fixed wiring or pre-programmed as a plug-and-play system for contractors on site. Our level 8 solution also provides 360-degree visibility combined with audible and visual alerts as well as advisory slow down and stop commands on an LCD screen. Our level 8 solution provides exact distances and locations of other vehicles, pedestrians, and fixed antennas are displayed using different icons on the screen. The solution allows for load mode with capability to pair two vehicles during loading events, thereby preventing alarm fatigue. MPI's Level 8 solution will generally be deployed on earth-moving machines on a mining site. In line with regulatory changes, MPI further enhanced its offering from proximity detection to collision avoidance with the rollout of its Level 9 or semi-automated system. Having integrated with leading earth-moving machine OEMs across the world, which is in line with the International Standard Organization ISO 21815 communication protocol, we also successfully developed and implemented automatic machine interventions for the gradual automatic braking of vehicles, which is also in line with the required International Standards Organization ISO 3450 braking protocol. Calculated predictive path algorithms have helped us solve for complex scenarios on a mining site, such as Y mergers, T junctions, head-on interactions, and safe following distance, which, and along with the ability of our technology to link the derating and braking commands with the actual performance of the vehicle, we have been able to safely brake and stop a vehicle. We were able to deliver consistent and predictable results, which were further tested and validated at lab scale and on-site by the University of Pretoria, incorporating the global EMA standards and scenarios. Whilst MPI's Level 9 focus was directed at surface mining operations, MPI is recently integrated with a leading OEM for underground mining machines. MPI test stations are equipped with Wi-Fi GSM capability and are integrated with boom gates which validate and allow access to vehicles with only functional PDS equipment installed. In addition, our PDS equipment is equipped with an automatic health diagnostic capability which identify and report the particular component failure to the control room for proactive resolution. Our safety system components have been tested at temperatures ranging from minus 40 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius and are currently undergoing development to accommodate different RF frequencies applicable across the globe. MPI's PDS system also solves for vehicle-to-environment interaction through our dynamic integrated radar solutions. Our system can integrate with up to 8 radars on a vehicle for object detection. MPI's PDS system is integrated with our tracking and reporting platform, providing critical safety information, including near misses or too close for comfort interactions. Upon analyzing this data, we are able to identify potential high-risk areas with the aim of deploying the appropriate PDS technology along with manual controls that could mitigate these risks. All vehicle interactions are logged and displayed on a heat map which assists with the site traffic management plan. While safety remains at the front and center of everything we do, MPI successfully adapted its offering to provide an integrated tracking, data analysis, and fleet optimization solutions. The ability to access the customizable online dashboards for a library overview of your entire fleet with real-time event alerts ranging from driver validation and behavior, idling and working hours, cycle times, loads per driver, license and medical renewals, with user-friendly, easy-to-create geofence zones and no-go zones, provides relevant decision makers the information in real time on their fingertips to facilitate informed decisions on a timely basis. We are confident that our reporting platform, in addition to key safety indicators, will also unlock opportunities for improvement in production by identifying and eliminating inefficiencies. Our passion to proactively save lives and make a difference saw MPI develop and roll out its fatigue management solution, where AI, neural networking, and driver behavior has been integrated into our technology. Our AI-based technology is able to identify if a driver shows signs of fatigue, such as tired, closing eyes, and excessive yawning, as well as possible distractions, such as cell phones, smoking, eating, or not paying attention to the road whilst driving. Fatigue-related alerts can be directed to a vibration sensor below the seat or to a control room for proactively determining the appropriate next actionable step. When integrated with our collision avoidance system, harmful fatigue events such as falling asleep will be provided to a control room with authority to trigger the vehicle's automatic machine intervention controls to safely slow down and stop the vehicle, thereby proactively preventing fatigue-related incidents. In addition, MPI's 360-degree camera consists of 4 cameras around the vehicle and provides a bird's-eye view of the vehicle surroundings for improved environmental awareness. MPI Systems has been successfully trialed and rolled out across leading mines in South Africa, with trials in progress in the US, Canada, Russia, India, Botswana, Zambia, and Ghana. We are on the ground floor for an exponential growth runway that lies ahead as we further penetrate the global markets. The next decade will see MPI emerge from the Internet of Things to the Internet of Everything, including disruptive AI-based cameras that will detect pedestrians on a mining site. We look forward to partnering with you in tailoring solutions that address your current and future safety and optimization needs.